Hello there, so we are going to go through the rack squat, which is a great beginner's exercise to get you used to the balance of the mace and getting some leg work as well. And it simply starts with standing in what I like to call the rack position, so it's hands just below the navel. And what you're going to do is squat, at the same time push the hands out to counterbalance the squat. And it looks very simply like this, going down and then up, good. Bum goes down, arms go out, keeping that chest generally up, and we can stand up. You can hot potato switch as well if you want to change hands. You could even try this single-handed for a little bit of extra stability challenge. Now I like this exercise because, especially for people like me with not very good ankle mobility, the weight allows me to sit that little bit further back to get that little bit deeper into a squat, as opposed to a bodyweight squat where the heels come up just that little bit sooner. Chuck those in your program, and I'll see you soon.